Hey folks, Jay Howson from Woodworking Blues, coming at you from a rare view of the back porch. It's such a lovely day here in South Central Texas. Thought I'd get out of the shop and get out of the mobile home we've been refurbishing and finally beef up my trusty bench here. Had this guy for a while, but I wanted to beef him up so I could put a much heavier and bigger vise on it. Among other things, which requires a lot of pounding and abuse. I wanted to be able to take that. So first of all, I apologize for the video or for the audio really. I've been seem to be having some problems with that lately, especially when I run a power tool. It seems to pop and crack. So if that happens, just bear with me. And what I want to do today is run by two tools. Both of them are Harbor Freight, and no, I'm not compensated by Harbor Freight. And they did not give me these. I bought these as open box deals. This is their Drill Master 3 1/4 inch planer. He was an open box deal. I think I got him for about 12 bucks. He was missing some pieces. He was missing all kinds of stuff, and his adjustment doesn't work too well. I had to do some repairs up here. But he gets the job done on my rough cuts, and what I want to do is, I don't have a planer, so this is it, just a hand planer. I don't have a large planer, so I wanted to kind of smooth them down. This is all wood I got from a construction site, about 13 pieces, 2.5 pine from a crate I broke down. Been trying to figure out what to do with it, and I thought, well, this would be a pretty good project. They were fairly straight, but I still have to do some cleaning up, and I thought, what a best time to demonstrate this Drill Master 3 1/4 inch electric planer. Not a bad little deal for an open box deal, under $15, somewhere around there. I only tried it once, and I didn't really like it, but I didn't quite understand the concept of it. I read the instructions a little closer, and now I understand you kind of have to ride a little higher, or you have to ride, put more pressure and more level when you're planing. As you see, I've kind of started already, but I still have a long way to go. I'm just going to show you some of the rougher edges over here, and just kind of give you an idea of what it looks like and what it sounds like. Be aware, this is a very loud piece of machinery, so adjust your volume, or take your earbuds out until I'm done, and hopefully it won't pop and crack like it's been doing lately. Okay, so as you see, it takes a lot of wood away for 1/8 of an inch. I need to work on this to get this little chip out. I don't know if you can tell, but he's peeling up anyway. But just for about a minute or so, there's a lot of dust, sawdust. I'm very pleased with the way he's works. What I'm going to do now is, once I get it cleaned up, I want to follow through I want to follow through with the another tool I got. It was also a Harbor Freight open box deal, and again, no, I'm not compensated by these guys, but I'm really impressed with these animals. I have two of them now, and I'll tell you what, you can do it on its back, which I've been primarily doing up until recently, and now I've been doing the intended way. Either way, he's been doing me really well, so I'll give you a quick demonstration on him and show you how to do a cleanup, although I still do have some more cleaning to do. Just thought I'd give him another shot. And if you remember how to adjust it, it's got to be running, you got to adjust this knob until this belt stays in between. Right back. So a really quick demonstration on this guy, and then we'll get out of here. Again, adjust your volume as needed. See this guy here, he's pretty clogged up. This happens a lot. Don't get discouraged. This is normal, but the mistake I made today was I left I'm sure you've seen the long rectangular, they look like giant erasers, the rubber or some type of soft material used to clean these blades. They work wonders. They'll add a lot of extra use to your I said blades, to your belts. So I thought, well, I don't have that, so I raided my children's school supplies and grabbed their erasers, and now I'll show you what that does. Helps a little bit. You notice this pink rubber stuff is going everywhere, and I don't know if that's good for the machine or not. I'll keep doing it for those. Okay, not as good as the original cleaner that was originally meant to be used with this, but still not bad. But I would be concerned, I'm a little concerned about that rubber dust getting in there. I'll just blow it out with back pressure, make sure it doesn't clog anything up or anything, and make sure I buy more erasers for my children, because I just pretty much destroyed theirs. So I want to keep going on this bench, get it flattened out, then move on to something else. And I'll try to show you the end result here in another video in the very near future. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and as always, Jay Austin from Woodworking Blues. Keep on woodworking.